Good morning, lovely people. Welcome back to Manasa Reddy's channel. Today we are at a farm. But today we're just here on a holiday just to enjoy the farm and walk around, feed the cattle, eat some food, and go back home. So, the farm introduction is Hi, we are at a friend's farm, and this is like a very big farm with mangoes and what else?
Chiku, sapota,
Chiku and
gooseberries.
Gooseberries, so many things actually.
Cows.
Custard apple, chicken, cows. Yeah. The first thing that we are trying to do here is feed the cattle. So we're just searching where are the cows because they might just be walking somewhere there, and it's a big farm. It's about 25 acres, so we're all like in the quest, where are the cows, where are the cows? Oh, finally we found one. No, we found 2 or 3, so we're ready to feed. I didn't feed because I'm a little scared, but Shubham loves it, so he signed up.
Bell the cow.
How's the idea? They nudge out the smaller one.
Oh, this is my farm bag. Look, I packed a few things like an extra bag, sanitizer, sunglasses, water. How do you like it? Bolan sal. అక్కడ నుంచి
మంచిగానే ఉంది. ఇది తింటుంటా తీసుకొని చూపించు.
We're going to start our lunch now. I'm having veg lunch. I don't know, these days I really only prefer vegetarian. Yeah, because everything is not suiting me first thing, and everything is not getting digested. This is the big reason.
Definitely feels a little less sweeter than the GMO and more ricey.
It's about 4:30, so it'll take like 1.5 hours to reach home, and that's it. Oh, it looks like Shubham is still picking something. What are you picking, Subbu? Peruga.
రేగి పండు అదే పాలకే.
It's the next day morning, and Shubham is busy with the corn because, you know, for healthy breakfast you also need to put a lot of effort. You need to wake up and you need to spend time cutting, cleaning. Things on your plate don't come that easily. You need to work for it. Today's breakfast, some grapes, corn, and also I finished eating the guava already. Over here I'm searching for props like flowers and some cute things because we have a product photography session. My friend is helping us with the photography. These photos are for my Attama because she needs pictures for Instagram and also for Amazon. These are all her product pictures, like the soaps and the shampoo bars. You can go to her page and check out all the products. ఇవి కూడా తనకి ఇస్తావని ఇది Woohoo! We had a birthday party. It's a baby's birthday, first birthday party, and this is a friend's daughter. Her name is Hashvi. Hello, Hashvi. Happy birthday. Also, I met some of my other old friends here because, all the friends are having babies at the same time now. The theme of the decor is a candy shop, and it's done by Party with Joe and Co. నేనా నా లైఫ్ అంతా ఎట్లనో నేను అట్లా ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్లో అన్ని పెడుతూనే ఉంటాను. That's how my week went. How was yours? Do let me know in the comments. I'd love to interact with you. So I'll see you again in the next episode. Until then, bye bye.